When it comes to enhancing your Auburn Hills home's value, window installation is a strategy that often flies under the radar. Yet, upgrading your windows can deliver a significant return on investment, ROI, improve your home's energy efficiency, and elevate its aesthetic appeal. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to boost your home's worth, here's why window installation is a game changer. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the most compelling reasons to invest in new windows is energy efficiency. Auburn Hills experiences a range of weather conditions throughout the year, from freezing winters to warm summers. Old or inefficient windows can lead to heat loss in the winter and excessive cooling costs in the summer, leaving you with inflated energy bills. Modern windows are designed with advanced insulation technologies, such as double or triple glazing, low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas-filled panes. These features work together to reduce heat transfer, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. By installing energy-efficient windows, you can lower your monthly utility costs, which is an attractive feature for potential buyers. According to the National Association of Realtors, NAR, energy-efficient upgrades can significantly boost a home's resale value. Improved aesthetic appeal. Curb appeal matters when it comes to home value, and windows are one of the most visible features of your property. Old, worn, or outdated windows can detract from your home's overall appearance, making it less appealing to prospective buyers. Conversely, new windows can transform the look of your home, giving it a modern and polished appearance. For homeowners in Auburn Hills, where many neighborhoods feature a mix of architectural styles, selecting windows that complement your home's design can make a big impact. Options like bay windows, casement windows, or sleek modern designs not only enhance aesthetics but also create a lasting impression. A visually appealing home often commands a higher price on the market. Increased natural light. Natural light is a key selling point for homes. Bright, airy spaces feel more inviting and spacious, making your home more attractive to buyers. New windows, particularly larger ones or strategically placed designs like picture windows or skylights, can maximize natural light in your home. In addition to improving the home's ambiance, increased natural light has practical benefits. It can reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, further enhancing energy efficiency. A well-lit home also photographs better for listings, which can attract more interest from buyers in Auburn Hills' competitive real estate market. Noise reduction. If your home is located near busy streets, schools, or commercial areas in Auburn Hills, noise pollution might be a concern. Modern window technologies, such as laminated glass and insulated frames, offer excellent noise-reducing properties. These upgrades create a more tranquil living environment, which is a strong selling point for buyers seeking peace and quiet. Higher ROI and resale value. Investing in new windows isn't just an aesthetic or functional upgrade, it's also a financial one. According to industry experts, homeowners can expect an average ROI of 70–80% from window replacement projects. This means that a significant portion of your investment will be recouped if you decide to sell your home. Additionally, Energy-efficient and stylish windows can make your home stand out in the Auburn Hills market. Buyers are often willing to pay more for properties that require fewer immediate upgrades, and new windows are a major selling point. Added security features. Modern windows come with enhanced security features that provide peace of mind. Features like multi-point locking systems, laminated glass, and reinforced frames make it harder for intruders to gain access. This added security is a strong selling feature for families and individuals prioritizing safety. Conclusion. Upgrading your windows is a smart investment that can significantly increase your Auburn Hills home's value. From energy savings and improved aesthetics to added security and noise reduction, the benefits are substantial. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to enhance your living experience, window installation is a project worth considering. Partnering with a reputable window installation company ensures quality results and peace of mind. By choosing the right styles and materials for your home, you'll enjoy the benefits of increased value and comfort for years to come. Don't overlook this simple yet effective way to enhance your Auburn Hills property. Start planning your window upgrade today.